I've just discovered something really cool. With the Empower AI agents, what we've been doing is we've been using one single agent to fulfill a specific task. And then if we want to use another agent, we'll pull it in the same chat box and then use that agent. But now what we can do, we can combine agents to fulfill a specific task. So let's just say, for example, I want to write a testimonial for somebody. What I can do is I can use two agents to write that testimonial in two different styles of tones of voice, which is really cool. So each agent is set up to fulfill a specific task. So Lucas is a CEO. So comes from big picture, has a writing style that is really focused in on thought leadership. So it's got a bit of a different flavor. If I use Wendy, who is a business coach, she's got a different angle. So each agent writes differently for a different purpose. But what we can do now is we can bring two of them together to write a message in two different tones of voices. So this is why it's important. The first thing we want to do is just ask your agent what is the best tone of voice to write a testimonial in. Okay, and then it's going to give me a list of, actually, I should have been more specific with prompt because what it's doing is it's not doing it in line with the Empower AI agent. So the prompt wasn't specific enough. It doesn't matter if you can't spell it right, it will get it. Being dyslexic, I don't spell a lot of things right. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, it's still too broad. Why am I not? What's the question I want to ask? This is interesting. I wonder if it's because I'm in a new chat and not using my own chat. Hmm. Typical when you do a test, might have to go back. I'm going to give it one more go. Okay, this is good for you to see because if it's not going to do it first time, then you want to give the names of the agents. Here we go. This is more what I want. When I did it originally, I was doing it in my own thread for the week, my own chat. So it's obviously, because I've been using it, it's familiar. Whereas this is a new chat, so it's not familiar with the request. Wendy, Bev, Lucas, Tip. Okay, so it's given me an example of how each one of these agents' tone of voice would be helpful. Now, I already know that I want to combine Wendy and Bev together because I want the human compassionate side to make that connection with her audience. But I also want to evidence results because I've got tremendous results from working with her. So the combination of the two is what I want to use. What's Lucas? See, so visionary. That's not so much what I want. And tip, actionable strategies, not what I want either. So I've gone for Wendy, who is the human connection. And I've gone for, who have I gone for? Bev, because she's results focused. Okay, so I've just said that I want to write the testimonial in Wendy and Bev. That's quite incredible. That is really, really quite something. I don't know why I didn't realize you could do this. I've been using them, teaching how to use them separately. I didn't realize that you could bring two elements in together from the agents. And these are just the founding agents. So there's sort of four founding agents that we use, and then there are task agents. There's, I don't know how many task agents there are now, quite a lot. So you can do task agents as well to bring in a different flavor. So you could be doing your social media, and then you could bring in a flavor of Lucas, visionary, big picture, just to give it that extra twist and to make it more impactful. It's really cool. Really, really, really nice little trick this is. So I can now write the testimonial in two different tones of voice, which is it's great. It's really, really great. Makes it more, makes the copy more person-centric, which ultimately is what we want because we want that deep connection with people. There's nothing actually wrong with the copy that it would produce if you were just using one agent. But if you're a bit like me, you're a bit of a perfectionist, you want to get it as good as possible, then you can combine the two. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Is this great or what? Or you've already discovered it and I'm a bit slow off the mark.